Hi friends, how are you all? And I'm Dr. Ryan, guys. So let's talk about how to hack Clash of Clans. But before it, guys, I wanna say the Clash of Clans VIP account giveaway is running, so you can participate in it. How to participate in it, guys? So just go to my description and there is a link of my theory channels, Dr. Ryan, Ryan and Mr. Hacker. So you have to subscribe theory of the channel and do notification on and be active on the channel and never dislike the video because I use both to decide who is the winner or not. So let's talk about what is the giveaway, guys. So in Clash of Clans account you will get a level 111 and town hall 9 with 277 gems, and you will get unlimited barbarian king and archery queen. So just go for it, guys, and maybe you will be the winner. So be active on the channel and I will release the giveaway winner's name very soon. So just be active on the channel and you can win this account. So now let's talk about how to hack Clash of Clans, guys, because I was getting lots of requests to do this and my lots of friends used to say, and please hack Clash of Clans. So just do it, guys. But there is a PS server of Clash of Clans. There is a downloading link in my description. So just go there, subscribe my channel, do notification on, and downloading link will be unlocked, so you can download this. So this is a quite simple, guys. So just follow my instruction and you will able to do this. Now let's talk about how to hack Clash of Clans, because I was getting lots of requests to hack this game. So first question comes in our mind, can we hack Clash of Clans? Because, guys, there is a lots of video out there on YouTube, on other website. They are claiming Clash of Clans can't be hacked, and some are saying let's hack Clash of Clans. So guys, in practical, if you are thinking on the YouTube, there is a lots of uneducated people. Why I am saying like that, guys? Because if you think, if you are in coder, if you have a hacking knowledge, if you are good enough knowledge, then why will you use YouTube? Because YouTube hardly pay us dollar, because YouTube don't pay anything, guys. YouTube is just I don't know what to say, but guys, out there on YouTube there is a lots of fake people and they are just claiming they are hacker in coder, but they are not. They are just used to mod from other website and used to upload on YouTube, and that's it about it. So I'm not gonna topic, that's not my topic. But let's talk about, can we hack Clash of Clans? So answer is, guys, no, we can't hack Clash of Clans, because Clash of Clans is a server based game. So now you just know, guys, Clash of Clans is server based game. So but you don't know what is the server, actually what is the server, how we can define the server. So let me put an example, guys. Suppose if you are owner of any school, if you are running a school service like Sanjay BS or anything, and your main branch in Delhi and your sub part of this school like in Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. So guys, if you think about it, your main server is in Delhi. So anything gonna happen in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, it's not gonna happen because your main server is located in Delhi. So if anyone wants to hack, and if you wants to do, so they must have to come Delhi and they have to hack in Delhi. That's thing about it, guys. In Clash of Clans, main server is in Switzerland, and now we are in a Flow server. So if you are playing Flow server and if you are doing any changes on your Android phone, it's not gonna happen in a main server. So to hack the Clash of Clans, you have to hack main server of Clash of Clans. It means Supercell main server that's located in Switzerland. So if anyhow you can hack a main server, then it will took almost 6 months to find your unique ID, because you know there is a millions of player on a Clash of Clans on their server. So it will took maybe 1 year or maybe 6 months to find your unique ID, to add unlimited gems in it and unlimited feature things, and it will cost more than $1 million, guys. So in a half of money, in a 1% of money, you can purchase unlimited gems, etc. things. So this is why people used to say Clash of Clans can't be hacked. Now I think now you are 100% sure. So now let's talk about, so what is the solution of it, guys? Lots of friends used to ask, so and what we can do. So guys, there is a two way to hack Clash of Clans. First one is a glitch way, second is a SH server. So what is a glitch way? Glitch means, guys, a bug. If you know, we know very well perfect does not exist. So guys, you know Clash of Clans is a server based game, so there is a lots of bugs. This is why they used to update their game after some interval of time, because there is a lots of bug available, lots of glitch available, so people can use and they can take advantage. That is why they used to update their game. So this is a reason behind to update to game, guys. So now there is a current glitch, guys. According to Supercell, in a clan, if you are going to any clan, only one person can be leader. But now the glitch is overcoming, like 2% can, two or more, maybe 3% can be leader of the any clan. So if you know, you can take advantage it, and if you don't know how to take advantage it, you can comment in comment section. I will make a separate video about it. Now second is a SH server. So what is SS server? SS server is like, guys, a server based game. It's used to bypass the server or hack the server of any kind. If you know how to use SS server, you can hack any game, any FIFA games, any Supercell games, you can hack any game. So now let's talk about, now you are thinking, and before you say we can't hack Clash of Clans, now you are saying we can hack Clash of Clans. So what is this, guys? In this second section, this is true, we can't hack Supercell main server, but we can hack Clash of Clans others account. This is why I used to do lots of giveaway about Clash of Clan account. So if you know SS server, then you can easily hack anyone's clans account. So actually what you have to do in it, so you just have to find a unique ID, guys. So there is just go to Google and you can search how to find unique ID of Clash of Clans, and you will get lots of idea how to find the unique ID of Clash of Clans. So if you have a unique ID of any player of Clash of Clans, you can hack them their account with a with SS server, guys. This is quite simple. You just you have nothing to do. Just if you know anyone's unique ID, any unique ID of Clash of Clans, then you can hack their account. So this is a quite simple. Actually what you have to do, just open Clash of Clans, put IOTPCNT and ID like that, because every player has some unique ID. So if you have a unique ID of any player, then you can easily get access on it. Just click on unique ID, just open SS server, just go there and go to them and just click on a battle and fight with them. Now after some time you have all their access, all their clans, all their war, all their wall. So now you can hack their account. So this is the simplest way to do this. So this is the way, guys. If you don't know how to use this, so maybe I can upload video about it, and why I'm not doing this and why I'm not playing Clash of Clans, because you know very well I have already lost my 3 of my channel. First one is a 3 lakh subscriber, 300k subs. So Supercell deleted my that account due to some copyright. So that is why, guys, on YouTube there is a lots of problem. First one is a copyright. If you are hacking any game, they can do copyright. Second one is if you are teaching anything about hacking, about illegal things, so be removed in community guidelines. Even YouTube can direct delete your channel, suspend your channel. So this is the problem of a YouTube, guys, and this is why lots of real encoder don't use YouTube. And so guys, I will upload video about it very soon. If you are interested in it, then I can make video, and I will teach you how to do this. But for it, you can't do it on Android phone, this because this is not about Android and this is not about iOS. This is about server. So you must have a PC, you must have a good network to do it, otherwise it will not work. So if you have a good network and a high quality network speed, and if you have a PC, then it will also not work on a laptop, etc. things. You need a desktop, so you can do it. I will teach you how to do it. Otherwise you can also search on Google how to use SH server, SSH. So you will get lots of idea how to do this kind of a things. So this is a quite simple. If you know this how to use SH server, you can hack anyone's account. But I know this is illegal because there is a lots of hard work involved, guys. So if anyone using these kind of things, so I will personally recommend don't use this, because this is illegal things. And if you are stealing anyone's account, so it's not good, because they are doing hard work to get a achievement, to get trophies and to get level. So this is not a good things, but you can use this. By this process you can hack this. So if you are still confused what I am saying, and Ran, what are you saying, I'm not getting anything, so let me explain you in a simple, guys, in a simple. Clash of Clans can't be hacked. It means if you are trying to hack Clash of Clans, it's not gonna happen. You can't hack Supercell main server, but you can hack others account. Suppose as like me, as like you, others players account, because in this process you are not hacking Clash of Clans, you are just hacking others account. So this is possible, this can happen. So if you know how to use this, then you can do this. If you want me to make video about this, just comment in comment section, and I will make this video about it. And thanks for your support, guys. Again I'm saying giveaways running about Clash of Clans account, so you can go there and participate in it, and maybe you will be the winner. On my main channel Dr. N, I have already provided more than 4,000 account. you can ask to my subscribers, they will give you idea. So just follow me on Instagram and FB page, and there I will use to provide a free account, so maybe you can win this. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Love you all, and please do subscribe. Bye.
I don't know what you want.